I've frozen her like a popsicle, a mumsicle. I need your help if this damage is to be undone.
If I help you, you'll unfreeze my mum.
We have to find Winter.
I am cold, I am spark, I am icicles in the dark. I am flurry, I am hail, I'm the chill in a gale. I am every snowball tossed. I am of course Jack Frost.
Winter isn't lost. I think winter was stolen.
Humans have burned and destroyed, and they must pay.
Stop! Our weather's been changing, we can't escape it. We've got a new climate and the humans made it. What can we do when everything is strange? We'll be swallowed up by the change.
We just might find Winter. We just might get Jack his powers back.
Humans are weird.